Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm bringing up some pictures from previous videos to illustrate a switcheroo I did on you. I don't know if any of you noticed this, but I switched on you. When we were talking about addition and subtraction, we were using these blocks to show how that works. And then later on, I switched to making pictures of blocks like this. Up in the upper right-hand corner, 3 times 28, a row of 28 blocks. Picture, a sketch. They're not even blue like the blocks were, like the blocks. Here's the blue blocks. They're just squares, bunches of squares that I used to illustrate multiplication. 3 times 28 is easier to copy and paste on a computer than it is to count out 28 of those blue blocks, 3 rows of them. So we pretend that each little square up here is one block, one little cube, one of those little blue cubes. I pulled a switcheroo. I went from real objects to a sketch of a real object. Now I'm going to pull another switcheroo. We're going to look at 2-digit multiplication. The switcheroo is this. Let's think about the problem 89 times 24. The switcheroo is this. Instead of 24 rows of 89 little blocks, instead of 24 rows of these things, of 89 of these things, I mean, that would fill up the whole page, right? 1 block, 2 blocks. Oh man, we're going to get tired by the time we get done. We're going to do this. I'm going to say, let's get a straight line here. Good. I'm going to do this. I'm going to say this is a rectangle. And it's going to be 89 on one side. And this is going to be 20 blocks long on this side here. And this is 4 blocks. Further, let's divide it up some more. This is going to be 80. And this is going to be 9. 89. So the entire length from here to here is 89. The entire length from here to here is 24. What's the area? Area of a rectangle is just the length times the width of the rectangle. So this length is 20, and this width is 80. So what's 20 times 80? 2 groups of 10 times 8 groups of 10. Well, a 10 by 10 square, remember the blue squares? 10 by 10 of them is 100. And then 2 times 8 is 16. 20 times 9, well, we've shown how to do that. A 1-digit number times a 2-digit number. That becomes 180. 20 by 9. Okay, 180. 4 by 80, we know how to do that too from the previous videos. 320. And then 9 times 4, the 4 here, the 9 here for the area of this guy, 36. So multiplication works out by adding up 1,600. That's the 20 times the 80. And the 20 times the 9 is 180. And then 4 times 80, 320. And then 4 times 36 is, 4 times 9 is 36. So we expect the multiplication of 89 times 24 to equal the sum of these things. I'm not going to add them up yet because I'm going to go over here and do my algorithm. 4 times 9 is 36. We do this just like a one-digit multiplication. Remember, in one digits, we said, okay, 4 times 9 is 36, and then 4 times 8, we have to add the carry. The carry. It's 4 times 8 plus 3, just like the other video, 35. Okay. 320 plus 36. 356 is 4 times everything. That row right there. Okay. The way we do our algorithm is we're getting the 320 and the 36 all at once. Now we're going to take the 20, the tens digit of the bottom number, 20 times everything. So 2 groups of 10 times 9 is 18 groups of 10. Let me erase the 3, the carry. We don't need it anymore because we're going to need it for this. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 9, and they're groups of 10. So we start with the tens place right there. 2 times 9 is 18, carry the 1. There's the 8 groups of 10. There's your carry, 180. Carry the 1. 2 times 8 plus 1 is 17. That little arrow again. Erase my 7 and rewrite it too. I don't like the looks of it. There we go. That's a better 7. And we have to add all these things up. Boy, I am getting no comments on the artwork. There we go. Add this up. So the second row, this row here, is the sum of this stuff. This first row is the sum of this stuff. This stuff is the first row. This stuff is the second row. 6, 8 plus 5 is 8 plus 5 is 13, carry a 1. Plus 3 plus 7 is 11, carry another 1. And 2136 should be our answer. Let's go over here and add. 6, 18, and 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13, a carry. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 1 is 8, plus 3 is 11, another carry, 1. Same thing. Oops. Did I do? Oh, I made a mistake here. Not that. I got in a rush. Okay. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2136. Same answer both times. Okay. Let's estimate. 80 is pretty close to 90. 24 is pretty close to 20. 2 times 9 is 18. We expect an answer close to 1800. We got 2100. Okay, we are A-okay.